Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich in Monopoly Go. No jailbreaker computer needed. So let me just open up the game and show you guys what's going on in my account. Are we broke? Are we rich? Let's find out, guys. So nothing happened. It doesn't work, I guess. So I'm going to go over to the shop. And yeah, I don't know if this really works, but oh my gosh, they're going up like crazy, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this and become super rich in Monopoly Go, guys. It actually works. So yeah, this is super insane. So as you can see, guys, my money is going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to this website, unlimitedrolls.com. So let me just type it in right here. It's unlimitedrolls.com. So it's a super cool website. So anyways, guys, once you're on this site, what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and choose how much money you want to send. So I like to go for the max, but you can read recent activity of people to give you some idea. So anyways, then we're going to go ahead and choose how much dice rolls we want to add. And now we have to enter our username and select our platform. So let me just go ahead and put in my username right here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter that. Okay, just fill this in. Then we're just going to go ahead and press proceed. And now it is going to load and ask us to do generate. And we're just going to wait for this to load. So if you got a decent internet connection, it shouldn't take that long. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load. All right. So anyways, guys, before we can be rich, we have to do a verification, which is really easy. So all you got to do, guys, is go ahead and press verify. And we just need to go ahead and download some apps. So as you can see, guys, there's a huge list of apps on here. And I'm just going to go ahead and download some of these. So as you can see, guys, we got like Travel Town, you know, Coin Master, whatever. So there's a large selection. So I'm going to go ahead and do some of these apps. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do Travel Town. It's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you guys can see. So while this is downloading, guys, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. You want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure that the process works. So anyways, the first app is downloaded. So now I'm going to do the other one, which is the Family Island. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me. And now I'm going to go to the home screen, just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so not really expecting a long wait time. So let's see, the Monopoly Go's done, and now we're waiting on the other 2 apps to download. So I'm going to run the Travel Town. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, you know, like touching around, whatever. Nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here, as you guys can see. All right, just like playing around with it. It's really easy, so you don't have to be a pro or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. All right, just running it. Yep, okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. All right. Super easy. All right, so now we're going to do the other app, which is Family Island, and that one is another game. So I'm just going to go ahead and run it right here, as you guys can see. Just pressing around. Super easy, guys. Literally nothing to it. So yeah, it works. So be sure to go ahead and try it out and get the word out. This is insane, bro. So yeah, if you like my video, guys, try it out today. I haven't found any issues. This works totally well, guys. It is super insane. So yeah, super crazy, guys. Yeah, you can see right here. I'm just running this. Okay, so let's open up Monopoly Go and see what happened. Are we broke? No, we can't be broke. No way. Oh my gosh, it's working, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away. It actually works, guys, but it does. Super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in future videos. Super insane, bro. It actually works. So let's go ahead and get right into the video.